Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Lexus RX 350. This one's an eminent white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 295 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Around back, RX 350 badging, power liftgate, set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, this one does come with a keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera with sensors. Navigation. Touchscreen media display. Our keys for our media display, climate controls, heated and cooled seats, our touchpad for our infotainment center, our different driving settings, 8-speed automatic transmission. This RX 350 has 4,287 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this RX 350, check out feldmannimports.com.